I'm Swati Chopra and I am a surface pattern designer from India. I work under my homegrown label called Bhutachap. So as a kid, I was always creatively inclined, was always good at arts and crafts. While growing up, I realized I wanted to be in fashion, but somehow ended up doing my graduation in graphic design and my postgrad in apparel design and merchandising from National Institute of Design (NIT). While I was at NIT, I was selected for an exchange program and I went to Hereford University to do a semester, and that is where I learned all about printing, like the whole process of developing prints, converting into a pattern, and even the placement prints, creating screens. And I instantly fell in love with it, and like I knew this is what I wanted to pursue. So yeah, my love started from there. Uh, right there, and I realized it was my time to merge my graphic and fashion skills. I worked totally on branding, making wedding stationeries and packaging. I still do that at times, but my major focus is surface patterns as of now. I've also worked full time as a fashion designer, developing embroidery motifs, silhouettes, and prints together, which comes in handy now. Quarantine is so far so good for me. Since I was working from home anyway before COVID situation, I try and maintain my routine, not to get distracted by house chores. Like I think that's the biggest challenge for me right now. Without any help at house, there's a lot of cleaning and all, but I try not to get distracted by that and focus on what I'm doing. So my routine starts with meditating and then working out, cooking, a lot of cooking happening lately. And then I come to my workstation and work till till I finish my task for the day in the evening. And yeah, and then I end my day with my roasty and some books that I am reading. I would say first let's accept this fact, embrace it, don't resist it, don't fight it, and like accept it and just move on because we are all in this together. So please don't get disheartened and keep moving ahead. Other than that, I would say have a daily routine. Like if you were waking up at a certain time, wake up at that same time and sleep at that same time because it will keep you disciplined and you won't be all over the place. If possible, work in a separate room than your partner or a family member. It will help you focus. And if that's not possible, at least have a dedicated working space so that when you are there, you are working there and you are focused just to work there and not distracted by the other things in the house. Yeah, so that. And I think it's also a very great time to network with fellow artisans, network with other people, ask them, talk to them how they are, keeping up and what helping them move on. I think that can really help as well. Well, future is uncertain, but the changes I see is like people are going digital. So I think people would want to have more digital meetings than personal. So try and learn some digital collaboration tools like Zoom or Microsoft Teams so that you can cope up when things go digital totally than person. And other than that, I see mask is becoming like a fashion accessory. Like, I'm also designing few masks, so that is a huge change, like mask being a normal thing, I think. And when things will subside, I also feel that clients would need things very rapidly. So be prepared. If possible, keep a bank of patterns ready. Or not, then at least work on your skills so that you can be faster when things are required and grab on that opportunity. I would say let's make the most use of what we have in hand. Do things that you always wanted to do, explore different mediums, explore different styles. And other than that, also, other than design, if you think something brings you happiness like cooking, dancing, working out, anything, do that, explore that, be good at it, learn new things. Also, network, as I said, I have made some great friends on Instagram at this time. Let's look at community over competition, collaborate with people, spend time with family, cook with them, read with them, do activities with them. Also, there are so many online resources available, free resources available. Like Max is offering MBA classes, or I'm sure there are other free classes available too. Look at the FP groups on surface design. You'll find few resources there as well. You will find few artists there too who can help you if you have some doubt or you want to learn something new. Do that, meditate, take care of your mental health. That's very important as well. Uh, Keep a bank of your portfolio, like bank of patents ready, so that when things will subside, you will have something to sell immediately. Do that. Look at POD sites where you can have a passive income or things that you always thought you will do. Do that. Also, it's a very good time to reflect on things. See what worked for you in the past or what didn't work for you. Plan things how you would want your brand to look like in future, or what clients you would want to work with. Do that. It's a great time. And you know what? I think most importantly, also, don't be too hard on yourself. It's not a productivity challenge or competition going on. It's okay to have some non productive days. It's okay to be in front of TV without feeling guilty for a while. Yeah, just take care of your mental health, meditate, and be happy, be positive. I think right now it's actually a right time to make a list of clients you want to work with. Look at the brands, look at clients, fashion designers or any textile studio that you always wanted to work for and you think your aesthetics match. Make a list of those things. Yes, you can approach them, mail them, see if they're looking for any designer, or if not, if their collections are on hold, it's that's okay. You can always approach them later or ask for the feedback. And if you feel there is a gap between your style and there, you can work on that and make your portfolio maybe according to that meanwhile. Yeah, I mean, I think it's right now more than approaching clients, it's better time to know whom you really want to work with. Well, my plan for now is to create, 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 and be patient and be hopeful, because I know this winter will definitely turn into spring and things will be normal soon. Yes, after things are fine, I think my plan is to just get back to my projects and try and have new clients and see my work, see my prints at stores like H&M and Anthropologie. That's the dream. Um, and for the newbies out there, I would say be consistent, be patient. Things initially do take time, so don't give up. Just, I think, take a pause if you're tired, but do not stop. Um, Consistency is the key. Like, make something every single day, learn something every single day. Like, after so many years of experience, even today, I learn new tools, new softwares to keep myself, updated and keep myself like to match the industry standards. So, consistency is the key, patience is the key, and learning every day is another, I think, suggestion I can just give the newbies out there. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.